Hello friends, welcome to Herb Story. In this video, I am going to share a marigold face pack. This remedy is perfect to reduce acne and pimples. It is also helpful to soothe rashes and skin irritations. It helps eliminating excess facial oil and tighten the skin pores. Also, due to astringent properties in marigold, this pack is highly beneficial for oily skin. So without any further delay, let's get started. To make a marigold face pack, take 2 marigold flowers. Then wash marigolds. Marigold, also known as calendula, it is rich with antibacterial and antifungal properties which help us getting rid of acne and pimples. After washing, separate the marigold petals. Now transfer the marigold petals into the mixture jar. Next, add 2 tablespoons rose water and blend it to make a paste. The powerful antiseptic properties of marigold helps to maintain healthy glowing skin. After that, add 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, mix it well until you get a thick consistency. Now the pack is ready. Wash your face and apply the pack. Leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash off with water. Apply this pack twice a week, resulting in clean and clear glowing skin. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.